I've been thinking so much, and again, we not only then praying about this, but thinking about it, but it was wonderful to experience the sweet anointing. There's nothing like the anointing of the Spirit of God. Treasure the anointing of God. It's missing so many places. We carry on without might or power or spirit. But it's not by our might or our power or strength, but by the Spirit of the Lord. This song goes, it's the anointing sent down from heaven. It's the anointing